Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yep, I got something really good for you guys, and I know you car enthusiasts are really gonna love this. But first and foremost, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below. It does help out my channel. But I filmed one of these. It was actually like a tribute car, I guess you can say. They revamped it, the Smokey and the Bandit car. Okay, that one you guys seem to like a lot. Some of you didn't, but hey, to each their own. But this time around, we have a real one. That's right. I am here at Superior Auto Sales, sascar.com. If you like what they have, inquire about it. They do ship from Canada and the United States, and then from the United States into Canada. They can do that, and they can transport a vehicle for you from Canada into the state. They can transport it. So if you see a car that they have on their website, you like it, and you live in Canada, they are based here in the United States, they can get it there for you, so don't be afraid of that. And they ship all across the US as well. Also, if you have a car that you're looking for, they can track one down for you, which is nice. But first and foremost, I want to show you guys this car, because as soon as I came in, I seen it, I ran right to it because I had to, because I love this thing. So this time around, we have a real, this is the 1978 Pontiac Trans Am. But it's in the sunlight right now, so it might be a little hard to see. So hopefully the camera is picking this up. And yes, the big screaming chicken on it. Yes, I got it right this time. So I know I kind of got criticized on calling it something else, and I don't want to do that. You're going to hear people talking in the background. So hopefully you guys can get a really good look at this. I mean, yes, there are people working here, so. But this is the 1978. This one being, I guess it just came in. But this car is so nice. I mean, they got the exhaust the right way. This is a true Pontiac Trans Am. The snowflake wheels. Love those. I'm just trying to get you a better look. I mean, these are all original. These are not, some knockoffs or aftermarkets. Yeah, they're 235 60 15s. That sounds so small now, but that's what they put on these cars back in the day. Man, paint on this car is perfect. Oh yeah, we got it. This has got the 6.6 liter in it. I mean, hopefully the camera is picking it up really good. I tried to get the hood open on this, but I think there's something with the hood latch on it or whatever. So yeah, this car is perfect. It's a little dirty, but who cares? Yeah. Nice, beautiful T-tops. Oh, these are... Power windows. Oh, I get manual mirrors. They're so small. I mean, this is my hand, and look how tiny that is. The original bucket seats. And it's got the pull down. Now this right here is the best part of my job. When you go to sit in them for the first time. This is the part of the job I love. you know, radio tuned suspension, whatever that might be. But this car is from Canada, so it's all in kilometers, and it's, you know, it has the clock that works. You can see it, you know, the hand move, the second hand's moving. Got tilt steering on it. The original radio in it, which is really nice to see. I mean, nothing. Got all your gauges for you, your fuel, your volts, your speedometer. Well, that's 44,000, but that's in kilometers though. So I don't know what that would be a mileage. If you know that, leave a comment down below, because I don't know how they do it. Water temperature right there. And then your RPM gauge goes all the way up to 6,000, which is pretty cool. And this is a 4-speed manual too. The windows right here, the switches. Ashtray, which had never been used. I mean, there's no burn marks in there. Usually when they get used over the years, you know, you get the burn marks in there. This, you don't have that at all. But man, this car is, it is gorgeous. And then for the trunk, you got your little air vent. It's weird because it goes right through the glove box. Yeah, and it's got the screaming chicken on the sides. But man, this car is so nice. And then you got your light up here, like extra lights. They work. But if I'm right, I think in Smokey and the Bandit, I think that might have been a 77 they used. But if you know the answer on that one, please leave a comment down below. This steering wheel is actually kind of small, you know, but it's original. And take a look in the trunk. The T-tops are probably back there, I'm sure. Yeah, the T-tops are back there, and with the car cover. I mean, this car is super clean. I mean, there is no rust, none whatsoever. Yeah, this car is gorgeous. Man. I mean, look at that. That makes a really cool picture. I mean, even the doors. I mean, this car was polished up so you can see the... I mean, judging by all this, because this is super clean, obviously this car has been restored, because usually by now those are, you know, you can see some age on them. So I'm assuming this car has been completely taken apart. From what I heard, you know, the first somebody who ever had this, they have spent a lot of money having this car restored. So this car was probably most likely a restoration. You got your working vents right here. But yeah, here's your real Pontiac symbol. So, oh yeah. The other one, it didn't have the, it was like a Pontiac symbol, but it was different. A lot different. Yeah, because they had something in it. But I mean, yeah, you look at this car. Everything, this car is like brand new. I mean, the bottom of the doors. I mean, everything. If I can get a look underneath it here. Oh yeah, this car was restored, because you can see all the primer. It was restored. Nice big exhaust. I'm sure it sounds nice and neat. So yeah, this car was restored, which is fine. Somebody decided to save it. Nothing wrong with that. But it still even has your little armrest in here. Got two things here. Oh, for the seats. I don't know what these are. Somebody put this in there. So I'm not going to press them because I'm not sure what it does. So, oh yeah. But man, this is such a beautiful car. And something you don't see anywhere. There are ashtrays everywhere in this car. Right here. See, this one's got a little bit of a, I don't know, glue or something in there. There's one. I don't even know why you would need 3 ashtrays back here. See, this one's been used, you can tell. Why would you need 3 ashtrays when only 2 people can sit back here? So all they gotta do is 4 ashtrays in this car. Man, this car is so pretty. The headliners. I mean, they even used the right material for the headliner too. I'm sure, I don't know if any of these plastic pieces had to be replaced or they were in really good shape. I don't know. I mean, I'm sure there was still a lot of things in this car they reused. I mean, you can tell this dashboard is all original. You can just tell, you know, just by looking in there. But man, and then, you know, everyone knows what this handle is for. As if you don't rip it off first. But God. Let's see if I can look underneath the front end of it somewhat. Maybe get some kind of a look in here. No, you're not going to be able to see anything. Oh yeah, it's got the old square headlights in them. Yeah, you don't see this in cars anymore, the old real glass filament headlights. So, but whoever did restore this car, I mean, in my eyes, I think they did a really, really good job on it. So, I mean, I'm sure you guys will, you know, try and look for something to pick apart on it. Hey, you know, I didn't rebuild the car, but to me, I think it looks absolutely perfect. And I would drive this car all day long and most likely get myself into a ton of trouble with it. But if you're going to do it the right way. Man. Whew. Do another good walk around on it. Well, let's see what they can do for the exhaust down here. Oh yeah, this car was completely redone. The sway bars, gas tank, leaf springs, exhaust. Yeah, this car is completely restored. Oh yeah. I guess from what I heard, whoever previously owned it spent a lot of money. At least you were able to get a good look at it. This car is not a rot box. It's not a quick paint job on it to make it look good. Oh no. This car was completely restored. Wow. One more over the interior here. And you don't see a lot of these cars anymore either. You just don't. I mean, usually they're all rotted out. There's nothing left. You get very few people who will restore them. Or if they do have one, it's probably stuck in a barn somewhere. Or they had the car since day one and they still love it and they take really good care of it. So whoever had this car spent a lot of time and a lot of money redoing it. And it's good to see that somebody saved it. I don't know what condition it was in before they did the restoration on it, but to me it looks like it was done right. Just can't get over this car. Wow. Alright guys, I'm going to cut this one here. But if you like these kind of videos, hit that notification, that bell down below so you can see my new ones that come out. Take a look at my other ones. But like, share, subscribe. Please leave a comment down below. And you know the routine. I'll see you guys on the next one.